Mum, I'm not hungry.
Please eat, Arthur.
Too much.
Just a few more bites, please. How about the toast? It's crunchy.
Nope. Don't like it.
Just try one bite?
No. Done! I'm gonna play now. Done! I'm gonna play now.
Arthur, food waste doesn't go in there.
Why not?
It's a trash can. Food takes time and care to grow.
But we buy it from stores, Mom.
Let's visit Sunny Acres Farm today. A farm? Right now?
Will there be big tractors?
Yes, and lots of strawberries.
Ready, Mom. Let's go see the big farm.
Another one left behind.
Mom, look at my big hat.
Coming, sweetie. Let's go.
Are we driving fast?
Safe and steady, Arthur.
Buckled up, ready for adventure. Look! I see big green trees. Wow! Look at all the green plants, Mom. The air smells like sweet strawberries.
Look out there, Arthur. That's where they grow.
So many rows.
It goes on forever.
Let's find the red ones.
Watch your step, Arthur.
Hello there. Welcome to the strawberry fields.
Are you the real farmer?
Hi, Jack. This is Arthur. He wants to see the farm. Great. I need a strong helper today.
I am very strong. I can help pick everything.
Here is your basket, little champion.
Thank you, Captain Jack.
Look close. Find the bright red ones hiding under leaves.
Oh, hidden treasures.
Be gentle.
Twist the stems softly so the plant stays safe. Like a gentle touch, Arthur.
Your turn now, Arthur. Fill that basket.
Watch me go, Captain. Look, Mom. I got one. It's huge.
Good job, Arthur. Now, let's see if you can fill the whole basket.
Easy peasy. Whew. It's getting really hot out here.
You are doing great, honey. Farming takes a lot of hard work.
My back hurts a little.
Take a break, young man. Every single strawberry requires sweat to grow.
It's much harder than the supermarket. I worked so hard for these. I won't waste them anymore. Look at all these long black pipes, Captain Jack.
This is our water life net, Arthur.
Every single drop goes exactly where the plant needs it.
So, we didn't Pig, we don't need a giant hose to wash everything?
Water is precious, Arthur. We save every drop to keep the earth healthy.
Save every drop.
I'm so proud of you for understanding that, Arthur.
Click! The water is flowing slowly now.
Perfect control, little engineer. Look at your basket. Ready to see the magic bin?
Yes. Let's go, Captain.
Here it is, my magical recycling box.
It just looks like a big green box, Captain.
Let's open it up. Look inside.
What's in there?
Old leaves, apple cores, and strawberry stems go here.
Like the half apple I threw away this morning?
Yes, Arthur. Instead of trash, it becomes food for the soil.
Food for soil?
Look, this rich black soil feeds our next strawberry patch.
I want a magic bin at home too. I will feed the soil. Ready, Captain Jack. Can I drop them now?
Go ahead, little helper. Feed the soil.
Down you go. Time to change into magic.
Wonderful job, Arthur. You are a true environmental helper now.
But Captain Jack, how does a soft apple turn into hard soil?
With a little time, bugs, and nature's sleep. This black soil feeds the roots.
And makes new strawberries sweet. So,
It's a big food circle.
Mom, we need a magic bin at home right now. We will build one together, champion.
Goodbye, Captain Jack. Thank you for the magic.
Goodbye, Arthur. Keep protecting the food. Here is the perfect spot for our new box, Mom.
Right next to the sink, so it's easy to use.
I'm drawing a strawberry superhero on it.
That looks beautiful, Arthur. The soil will love it.
It's the magic food bin. Ta-da! Arthur's magic food bin is officially open.
Dinner preparation is starting. Let's see how much magic food we can gather tonight.
Chief Arthur is ready for the food scrap collection, Captain.
Dinner is served. This features our hard work from today.
It smells amazing, Mom. Look, Mom. Clean Plate Club. I finished it all.
I am so incredibly proud of you, Arthur. You remembered Jack's words.
Now, time to collect the magic scraps for our hero bin. Here comes the dinner scrap squad. Open the magic gate, Arthur. There you go. Good night, Scraps. Grow some magic. High five, Mom. Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished, my little hero.
Look, Mom. The food scraps turned into real black soil.
Eat well, little plant. Grow big and sweet. It will love your magic food, Arthur. Officially, you are now our Food Protector Knight.
Sir Arthur the Protector. No more waste. Every grain and every fruit is precious. Join our magic squad. Let's protect the planet together.
See you next time.